one thing I point I drew from this, Akash, we are not meeting each other now.
दोनों पड़ोसी हैं यार.
हमारा तो बबल है भाई, सोशल बबल है हमारा.
So Gayatri, since you got this topic, what do you do to chill? Because I know you're
exactly.
Podcast.
Chill as in not your hobbies or anything घर पे. मतलब ऑफिस में ही, you know, I mean office बोल रहा हूँ, hospital में ही, how do you get rid of all that, you know, how do you blow off steam, you know, with colleagues and all? क्या मतलब what kind of you know fun do you have with colleagues and all?
Like I have lately heard about Gayatri from Alan that she started hanging out with some really famous podcasters. So that is
that's how I chill. I hang out with celebrities.
But it's okay, guys. यहाँ कुछ anyway.
So I think that I'm telling you, I was telling somebody else also today that I feel I have done this for 6 years now. I've done emergency medicine for at least 6 years now. But I have juniors, you know, who have just joined 3 months ago. And I have people who have just joined a year ago. And I am used to, I mean, you see many ups and downs through your career. 6 years is not much, but we've seen stuff happen, right? Enough, some two waves of a pandemic and stuff like that, where you know, mass casualties and rollers. You see a certain amount of death and sickness. So you sort of, when it's a build-up like that, you are able to deal with it mentally. But I feel very bad for the kids who have joined just now, that they didn't ask for this and they are not expecting. And in to be honest, they are what is 24 years old? You know, they're babies, and how can you expect babies, the children there? It's like we expect too much out of our young population. They have to deal with death and unprecedented amounts of death, and they have to, like, when we take you, I'm sure you've seen photographs of people taking off their PPE. It's soaked from inside. Soaked means it's like it's sticking to your skin, and you have to, after 15 minutes, wear it again and go back. So, and I mean, I'm telling you, I have peed in my PPE, and I'm sure that if people were able to stand up and not be embarrassed about saying this, you will be surprised by the number of doctors who will tell you that they were not able to make it to the loo in time because there is just no time.
When I did not know better, when I didn't have to deal with a patient who's ill and who's trying to look for a bed, I thought life was fine. Like, okay, there are no hospital beds. Okay, like I was in my own privileged as bubble, which said, "Ha, theek hai yaar, this is also a bit exaggerated. Who cares and whatever." And the day I had to find a hospital bed and oxygen for somebody, and I was refused by 52 hospitals. I have a list, 52 hospitals, and that's when I realized that, oh, this is the reality. I was living in an alternate world where I did not accept it, but this is the reality. And when somebody went into the hospital to get that patient admitted, that's when they told me that whatever you see is not the truth, because you will see 5%, but when I'm walking, I am not walking on floor. I am making my way from the COVID patients who've eventually not been treated, not gotten treatment because of lack of oxygen or whatever, lack of hospital beds, or have just died out of just the disease. So I'm just making my way through that and hoping that my patient's wheelchair can come through that. Like, that's the sad reality. And until people face this, or somebody close to them has faced this, they will never realize it. I don't think anybody in India will be ready to accept the fact as is if they don't go through this personally.
Pass on the legit contacts to people.
Verified.
Verified,
you're adding burden on two people. The person who's sitting there finding bed for their patient, क्योंकि वो भी अपनी research कर रहा होता है. वो ऐसा नहीं है कि he's dependent on you. He's also doing his own research. And when you send unverified leads and then getting turned down is also a horrible thing on your mental health, dude. Imagine calling hospitals and them saying that नहीं है भाई, क्या करें?
Yeah, and
उनकी भी गलती नहीं है, तुम्हारी भी गलती नहीं है.
और वो लोग बोलते हैं, मुझे ऐसे लोग आके बोलते हैं कि you know, people are really desperate and understandably so. They are like, you cannot, प्लीज आप उसको साइड में रख लो, बेड को ना ऐसे साइड में रख लो. हम बोलते हैं बेड नहीं है, नहीं आप कहीं पे घुसा लो ना पेशेंट को. फिर बोलते हैं कि हम बेड हम सप्लाई कर देंगे. तब people have to understand कि बेड का मतलब literally physical bed is not the thing. People have said कि हम आपको I'll give you 2 lakhs if you give me a bed. And we are like, bro, are you this is not how money comes to us. And
this is very मुन्ना भाई attitude. दीवार तोड़ के वाला रूम अंदर ले ले.
अरे एसी लगा भाई के लिए, एसी लगा.
और अभी सिचुएशन ऐसी हो गई है कि हम लोग एक ऑक्सीजन पोर्ट के साथ 2 बेड्स रखते हैं और फिर ऐसे ऑल्टरनेटली को ऑक्सीजन देते हैं. और उसके बाद भी हम और साइड में नहीं घुसा सकते एक और बेड. और दूसरी बात ये है कि उसके every alternate patient, without exaggeration, that comes to us comes and says, I know somebody in your hospital, the head of department in some other hospital in some other place, please take him inside on priority basis. And only now have we reached, after so much death, we have reached a point where we can confidently and without fear tell everybody that, see, I am only worried about your oxygen saturation. I don't care if you are whoever's chacha, mama, bhanja, I don't care. It does not matter to me. If your oxygen level is low enough, I can take you inside. Otherwise, I don't care who you are. I will not give you treatment. And if you want to complain, please go ahead and complain. ये मैं सबको बताना चाहती हूँ because मुझे नहीं पता, लोगों को पता है. लेकिन वैक्सीन लगने का मतलब ये नहीं है कि आपको कोविड नहीं होगा. लगने के 1 महीने बाद ही 4 to 8 weeks it takes for the body to develop enough immunity, and after that you are just protected from severe disease.
Severe infections.
Most of the times there is still a chance that you can get severe disease, but it protect you most of the times, and it does not prevent transmission.
सुन लो सब लोग, ऐसे ऐसे बस लाइक करके नहीं जाना है ये पॉडकास्ट. सो व्हाट आई वांट, लाइक भी करके फिर ऐसे स्टोरी पे शेयर करके पूरा देख के फिर ठीक है. हाँ,
लेकिन सिर्फ
because sharing is caring.
But now let's talk about good things. One good thing which we can talk about towards the end of the podcast is I think I would let Gayatri only explain about the initiative which is she's doing on Instagram, right?
Yes.
I think you should definitely talk about that, right?
Yes.
क्या हुआ?
ऐसा है कि
मुझे बहुत excitement हो रही है.
So the thing is that I would definitely, I'm telling you, I work in a hospital that is not completely private. So and a lot of rural population comes to our hospital. And to give you an idea of how expensive stuff is, high flow nasal cannula that people use to give a high amount of oxygen costs 9 grand, one high flow nasal cannula. So if one patient has to use a HFNC, they have to pay 9,000. One IV line that they put is for 150 rupees. Okay, and patients who typically spend 2-3 days in our emergency waiting for a bed and stuff like that end up paying something like 30,000. And they have just paid for emergency treatment, right? A CT costs something like 3K to 5K. I'm talking about hospitals that are not corporate, because corporate costs are obviously much higher. Okay, an ICU bed in any scenario other than in a government scenario is not going to cost you anything less than 1 lakh per day. Okay, so the advance that is taken is anything between 1.75 to 2 lakhs, because they don't want relatives to come every day, and because that is just increasing contact and transmission. Right? So they take that advance and then they use it for the patient's medications and other needs. And if something is remaining, they return it. That's usually how the advance functions, right? For any hospital. So many people who
who are in there, who need the bed, who need the nasal cannula, who need an IV line, who can be managed with a small amount of oxygen, are not able to take that treatment because they don't have money, and a lot of people are out of jobs in the current scenario.
True.
And it feels wrong somehow to send people away when you are able to treat them. You have the facility, it's right there. If they get treated, they are salvageable and they can lead perfectly normal lives after that. But just because they don't 200 rupees on them at that time, we are not able to treat them. You know, most of these people will say, आप ले लो अंदर, हम किसी तरह कल तक पैसे arrange कर देंगे. But the way a hospital has to function to be able to sustainably provide medications and treatment to patients, the only way to do that is by taking in some amount of money. You can't function on air. So for that reason, I thought that I will, since I have been messing around with my Surface Pro, and I have figured out a way to create illustrations which some people seem to like, but I hope that, so I thought that I will give these up for sale, and hopefully people, even if they don't like them so much, they will consider that they have, that they can use this to siphon funds for people who are not able to afford it. Because I find that we are divided into a section of people who are able to afford everything well, and a section of people who can't afford anything. And the best way to siphon funds from the 1% to the 90% who are not able to afford it is this I thought was one way of doing it, is by selling my art. And what I'm doing is I'm only charging for the printing and the shipping, and 500 rupees above that. Fortunately for me, it's gratifying for people to get to know exactly the details of the patient that they are helping. Like if I tell you your contributions have helped me, there's a COVID positive mother who had come and she could be with her baby because you contributed, and I then gave her that money, and so she could get admitted to the hospital. And that will make you feel like, yeah, I donated to a place that has actually helped people, and it makes you feel good.
Yeah.
So that's
That's
a
true.
fair exchange, I feel.
No, that's totally fair exchange. And people who see, there are two people who will love illustrations and they will buy it.
800
and
is the bigger and the
biggest
large size, no?
Yes.
size one.
Yeah, yeah.
And illustrations अच्छी है.
And
Thank
illustrations
you.
अच्छी
ऐसे
हैं.
scribble नहीं किया है.
हाँ, ठीक है.
To be honest, I am not an illustrator. I am mostly in my life there is nothing else but medicine, and I have only slowly grown this skill over the last 2 years. But I found that now I said ठीक है नहीं बिकेंगी तो नहीं बिकेंगी, but try तो कर ही सकते हैं.
Try तो कर ही सकते, exactly. And also just want to tell people कि यार just think of it यार, room में there is a beautiful illustration, and that will be a symbol of the fact
Symbolic
that you
of,
have symbolic of someone you helped,
contributed.
right?
You have contributed to something.
किसी नहीं है तुम्हारे, मतलब तुम कभी कोई एक चीज को कमरे में देख के बोल सकते हो कि हाँ इससे कुछ story associated है, right? And then from that story you can say that I saw the podcast
And something
I
that you
followed.
can directly
अच्छा.
quantify.
I like how गगन घुमा के फिर हाँ तो podcast देखा तो उस पे like और follow भी कर देना.
But yeah,
Rahul के पास painting पहुंच चुकी है.
Oh, Rahul, I got the same one. I think I got the same one.
Tiger.
Yeah, this is amazing.
I also have
My
mine right
camera
here,
is
one.
shitty, but the painting.
Yeah,
is
I was going to
amazing.
say the painting is amazing. Rahul's camera is to be
Oh, it's
blamed
shitty.
on.
Absolutely.
Alankar also has it.
Yeah.
I also.
And you guys really need to buy this. और ऐसी पन्नियों में नहीं पकड़ा रहे, देख रहे हो पैकिंग मेहनत किया है
हाँ,
किसी ने,
this is
ठीक है?
like a self defense tool. कोई घर पे
हाँ.
आके गुंडा आता है, मैं मार सकता हूँ उसको इससे.
In fact, ये वाला इतनी अच्छे से पैक हो गया कि मुझसे खुल नहीं रहा है.
Gayatri, is it still live? Can we link this in our bio and tell people to
buy
It
it?
is definitely still live. And by significant amount, I felt good because for me it was a significant amount. But I realized that it is significant of how much is needed. You know.
Yeah.
So if I collected 1 lakh in the first 3-4 days, we disbursed the whole 1 lakh in the first 2 days of having received that money. Because as you said, ICU beds are 1,75,000,
And that's, there you go, Alan Spain.
Wow.
Just wow.
Oh, I was very confused between this one and the other one that I ordered, the blue one.
Yeah, but this is amazing, guys. You should definitely We will put the Instagram handle. You can go there, check it out.
Link is in the bio.
Link
Yes.
is in the bio, yeah. And हमें सब्सक्राइब मत करो, चलेगा. खरीदो प्लीज. ठीक है. This is helping people. Okay. अपना क्या है? अपना हमें पता है हम फेमस हो गए. कुछ भी. But let's focus on saving the world, right? And also by this, I want to also say one last thing. I am in IT. Akash is in IT. Rahul is in IT. Everyone has some skill, right? If we could, this is the time we all step up and do something to help people, right? Once we do that, I think it will be amazing. And सब अगर ऐसे ही कुछ ना कुछ करते रहेंगे यार, we'll definitely get away with the whole thing which is going on right now. But just want to say, Gayatri, that it is amazing, right?
Yeah. But one thing before Gagan ends, I have a question for Gayatri. So what is that one thing that you would like to tell each and every person who's going to watch, or I would say India, so it's like one thing.
India, so it seems.
It's difficult to say one thing because
Okay,
there are many things
whatever
that
you have.
But I think I have really spoken a lot in your podcast today, so I will limit it. I think what I really want to say, and it's not just related. I think people are sick of listening to stuff about this pandemic, so I'm going to be a little more general about it. See, the thing is, it is not just the government's response. It is definitely the government's responsibility also. But your country is your country. It is not the government's country. And until we take ownership, nothing is going to change. It all starts from each person doing it.
Right.
Yeah. And just common shit, guys. Like, share, subscribe होता रहेगा. घर पे रहो. Sanitizer use करो. But
By the
anyway,
way, one thing I pointed from this, Akash, we are not meeting each other now.
दोनों पड़ोसी हैं.
हमारा तो बबल है भाई, सोशल बबल है हमारा. क्या बात कर रहे हो?
Thank you for joining in today,
Yes.
Gayatri. I think
So much
this,
for coming.
I just feel like clapping for you. I really do.
and also just
Thank you for calling me and letting me vent like this. I hope I didn't become too serious and too.
No.
all we can say is thank you, right?
Yes.
And
Yes.
see it that this is coming. This is for you and your entire medical or doctors fraternity, which we should definitely appreciate, right? And thank you so much. Thank you so much for doing whatever you are doing at this point of time. I don't want to be very harsh, but it's very easy to wake up every morning and write on a WhatsApp group that cases have increased. When you are there on forefront of things, then you know what's going on. So
Yes.
thank you so much.
The best way to thank a doctor, I think, is to just be kind to them. So
Kind
when
to
you go to a hospital next time, just be kind. They are not
Yeah.
going through something nice. So
True.
that's
You're
that's
very
Or
modest,
stay at
Gayatri.
home.
You are very
Or
modest,
stay-
Gayatri.
stay at home.
Or stay at home.
Entertain yourselves by watching this
PKD.
PKD podcast.
हमारे podcast के सारे
लो,
episodes देख.
अब तो ये चलेगा. अब तो डॉक्टर ने hook line बोल दिया हमारी.
Now we can use the line recommended by doctor.
Gayatri, if you can add, we can fight this corona just by watching PKD. That is
It's
अब देखो,
harm you.
Let's not
It's
push
just
it.
going to be informative.
Let's not push it.